All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to download the Bardeen Chrome extension. So real quick, I usually just go to Google, low-tech option here, and I'll just type in Bardeen Chrome extension. Your very first hit will be the Chrome Web Store, which is what we're looking for. So we'll see Bardeen here. So we're going to click on this link. You'll see lots of Bardeen-related branding here. And then on the right, we'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. So we're going to click on that. You'll see a couple of permission related things. We're going to click Add Extension. We'll give it a moment. And once it's installed, we will see this page. And at this point, you can put in your email, your password. You can also log in with Google or GitHub, whichever one you prefer. So at that point, you have successfully downloaded the Chrome extension. You can log in and do your thing. Thanks.